पेज। ओके, मैंने आपको होस्ट कर दिया है। आपने क्रिएट किया है नया कंपनी मैम?
हाँ
अभी आप फ्रेंडली हो गए ना मैम, इससे आपको आ रहा है ना अभी ये?
हाँ, I just know how to open. I don't know how to post and all as yet. Huh?
यू डोंट नो हाउ टू पोस्ट?
हाँ, create a post, add photo, create ad, वो सब नहीं किया है हम लोग ने. I just know this. This is not. See, I made this GS digital marketing.
This is your new company.
Because I had to close that. Huh? See how it is. Is it okay?
Just a
Check
second.
it.
Just a second. Just show your home page.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah.
Get started. Just click customers up to date. Okay, I'm just click to get started.
Ashan, this is what claim rupees 2000. How can we claim?
When your business will come online, na, that time you will claim your 2000 free advertising credit.
Yeah.
If any
Correct.
company
Correct.
like Zomato or any other Stiffy or so they can claim, then you can claim it for advertising on your company or on your business page, man. Okay. Okay. So here is the option get started. Okay. So confirm your business is open, temporary closed or permanently closed. So it is not open or temporary closed, but it's your call. Okay. If you want to open, you can. So which you want to select, ma'am?
Open.
Okay. So save. Okay. Then next is let customer know which services you are offering. And you are offering on-site service. Customer can visit physically location on your business. So no, na. Okay.
No, no.
Yeah.
Uh,
You are offering online appointment. Customer can attend real-time appointments. No. So just click save. This is regarding digital marketing only, na? Okay. So,
yeah.
ma'am, add the business timing at which time it is open and closed. So, please add it.
This timing only, I was getting stuck. I didn't know.
Why, ma'am?
I was getting stuck. How to write the timing? See, like supposing this time,
Look,
if I wanted 9 o'clock in the morning.
just scroll down.
Okay, now it is coming AM. That time it is not coming AM. It is coming 9. No, no. Understood.
Okay, yes. Okay, ma'am. Just click to 24 hours. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down. Down. It is upward. Just scroll down. Click to that downwards button and select the 9 p.m. When you select 9 a.m., na, you want 9 a.m. Na? So just select 9 a.m. Now you will get the close time. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Now select the closing date. Just you can close or downwards. Okay, scroll downward, then you will get the PM timing also. Scroll down, scroll down. Scroll down now. 9 it's AM. You want PM timing na, in the evening man.
Yeah.
Now just scroll down, then you will get this timing. Look here. 9:30 or 9 PM or 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Okay. Okay.
This
Okay,
is fine, na? 9 to 9.
it is your call,
Do we
ma'am.
get a calls? Do we get calls from this?
Sorry.
On does
Hello?
it help? We get calls from here?
Yes, yes. Because this is an online service, so you will get, you can add any time. So I guess at 9 a.m. only because the opening time is same as, but closing time is changes.
Hmm.
On Sunday or Saturday, you can change the closing timing also.
Yeah. No, Sunday is-
Okay. So what else? Okay, so required customer of health and safety measures. It is for COVID. COVID, huh, ma'am? Mask requires a yes. Temperature check requires a yes.
But it is not this one, no? I mean, it's not offline, no?
Ma'am, offline, but you have to tick. Supposed to be someone will
Acha.
come to your office, then it will help, ma'am.
Why somebody will come?
If you have given address number, right?
Yeah.
So someone is there, so they will come. They can't, then can be run. That's why if you want to add yes, then you can add yes. No, so no, no problem. Hello, 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 ma'am, are you there? Hello, 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 Bhavna, ma'am. Hello, Bhavna, ma'am.
Yeah. See this, yeah.
Something network issue is there, I guess.
No, now I've connected with my mobile hotspot. No, it will not go off.
Okay, no problem, ma'am. So, ma'am, I made you host. Please screen your sheets once again.
Yeah.
Okay. Done. Okay. Now, ma'am, create a post. This thing we have done in the first business we was done. Na, that time we will done all the things this. Okay. So create a post regarding your business, ma'am. Just click it. Okay. So let customer know about your charges changes to your business due to COVID. So update the status, ma'am. Like we are giving online services in digital marketing, social media marketing. You can write like this.
I'll write only online services, no?
Ma'am, but
Online
online
services.
services in which field, na? That's why you can
Yeah,
write
okay.
we are going.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. online services in
digital marketing.
where's your child?
He is in babysitting. I'll change his timing. I will go after 5 o'clock, man.
Okay, okay. Online marketing and social
सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग मैम आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज ना
okay.
ऐसे बनाऊंगी वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज
Yeah.
सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग कैनवा डिजाइनिंग
Yeah.
कॉमा सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग एंड कैनवा डिजाइनिंग okay
Yeah.
you can add a button scroll down ma'am okay so just scroll down over here just add
Yeah. Button I'll add.
yes you order now or learn more sign up which button you want to add you can add a sign up button because you are not sign up
Sign up. No.
you can
Order. They can order online.
how can order ma'am you are providing services of digital marketing when you can go order online when you are buying something you are not buying something product or all you are providing services so you can sign up or you can book a appointment right
Book appointment is better, no?
okay ma'am okay
Because they will call me, no, at least. No?
actually that's what I told you
Yeah.
because if you are going
Yeah.
to uh, just a link for your button so you can give the link for your button like just scroll down okay example here is your email id or your link of your email id or you can give your linking page address okay like example you have if you have your web page so you can add web page and you can publish it or first you have to preview it then you can publish it.
So what I should do here? Link for button.
Yeah, give your email id or you can give google your address linking address also you can give
LinkedIn address.
yeah
Or email ID is also okay.
yes
Email
yes
ID.
yes email id no ma'am because example is google.com first of all write email id and preview if it's possible then you can write otherwise leave it and just publish it ma'am.
No, I can choose on which button I should write. Just send me.
Ma'am,
Like
here is the
this is my
option.
example.
Here is the option like
Ah,
you have if you have your email web page address, so you can write your web
yeah.
page address over here. But you don't have your web page address, am I right? But you have your linking
Yeah.
address. So you can add your
Yeah.
linking address, then you can publish it. Okay.
Okay. So I'll see, but this is I did for GS.
Yeah.
So then this is connected with my with Bhavna Chawla.
Yes. Your email ID.
My old email ID.
Yes, ma'am.
And that side is still is connected with this other one,
Which
Preeti
one?
Indujapa. 1 minute. So this I'll
Preeti
write
Chawla address.
no my name before marriage was Preeti Hinduja.
Acha, right.
Acha, I'm just writing this. Now this is Bhavna Chawla. This is connected with.
publish it.
It is safe to give no email ID.
Ma'am, I have told you there you have to give a web page address. So if you don't have to your website address, this is your email address. Email address is different, web page address is different because this they write here because they have written over here. Add your web page address like www.google.com. So I was explained you have to add if you have a web page ID, then you add over there. But you don't have to just publish it, ma'am. Because they you don't have to add their email ID now.
Okay. Otherwise, they simply hack and all no emails.
Yes,
Now
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
it's required.
Yeah. So now you don't have your email ID. Oh, sorry, web page address. So what can we do? Just go to sign up. Go and sign up. Select another button. You can add learn more. Okay. Then also you have to add your .com. If suppose I have written over here www dot google .com. Okay. So it will come direct to your Gmail
Hey,
account.
1 minute.
You can go back and
But
you
then,
can yes, ma'am.
but then Google.com, how they will contact me?
It's a Gmail address also, na, ma'am. Okay, you want to change? You can change over here. Okay, just click here and you can change, ma'am.
I can change it.
Yes, ma'am, you can change it.
This to you, we just wrote to now. This all now.
Yes, ma'am, you have to.
Again, you write it.
Yes, ma'am, because we have connected once again, na, we are creating another post.
Acha, acha.
So first you preview, then you publish. We just preview and click na.
We
Yes. मैम यहाँ पे ना कॉपी पेस्ट करके ना आपके जीमेल में सेव करके रखो तो अगेन एंड अगेन यू डोंट वांट टू राइट
yeah. Hello, I'm on Zoom call. Yeah, I'll call. Wow. Yeah, after half an hour is okay.
यस मैम
Okay. Send me. Yeah.
if you don't want to add a button just click publish ma'am because you don't have your web page address na so just click to publish
Yeah.
no problem
And then again, when I can have make a web page, that time I can just
yes
no.
now that time you can add your web page id ma'am
Okay. Yeah, good idea.
infographics in canva ma'am
What?
you did infographics and all in canva na
1 second. I don't. 1 second. Yeah, just send a message to my husband. Just a second. Huh?
okay no problem ma'am
Just a second.
डोंबिवलीला पण पाहिजे
Yeah. Now what do we do?
So you have a add photo. Click here and add photo of your company.
This is only it.
You have na GS.
Yeah. What?
What is GS
Create ad.
marketing?
What I should do now?
Click to add photo. We have created post. So now click to add photo.
Ah.
Click there. So you
Ah.
can add your images or photo from. Now what you have to add logo, cover page, or interior exterior. So you can add. Okay, you have added all almost.
Yeah. All these photos I had added the day. Na, you told me to practice now. So
Okay.
I added so
Okay.
many
Okay.
photos.
So
Yeah.
right now we directly goes to website option. Okay, because the services and all the things we had done right last lecture.
Yeah.
So just click to website.
Yeah.
Yes, just a click. Okay. So welcome to your site. Your site updates automatically whenever you change your business info in Google My Business. So I am clicking get started. Okay. What is the full form of GS marketing, ma'am?
Just Laruni. Actually, I believe in Ganesh and Sai now. So Ganesh Sai better.
Okay. Okay, I have just click over here. We are going to select a theme. Okay, you just this all the things digital marketing all. Okay, just scroll down. So just select a theme from here. Okay, just click to okay. So this is the theme. Tell your story. Let your customer know who are you and what are all about you. Okay, so just click here. Okay, click to here. Okay, and just write the things about you. Okay. Okay, so you can write over here your name, your phone number, your email address. Okay, because you are the owner of and
One
manager.
second. Huh? 1 second.
Okay,
1 second. Sorry. 1 second. One
no
second.
problem, ma'am.
Sorry. Yeah. Tell me.
So ma'am, add there quoted, get quoted like send customer name, phone number. Okay. So now this is your heading. Just scroll down. Okay. Summary header. Okay, you have any header regarding to your company, so you can write your header. Summary body like which services you are going to provide to your customers. Like we are providing digital marketing. Just add a header. But header is
A
regarding to
second. Sorry. 1 second. 1 second. Hello. Hello. No, it is this what is this called? Mr. Fit Karke Dukan is there. We had given to that Kiran. That Kiran has subletted to Mr. Hitesh Shah. Mr. Fit SCS Hitesh Shah. He's his trios wala, you know. SCS Sports Shop. Mr. Hitesh Shah. Yeah. No, both are that's only this is that Kiran is Kiran who was subletted to him. He is at Metro Wala, Metro Plywood. No, both brothers are there. SCS. Mr. Hitesh Shah. He's his Chayos Wala's brother same. Yeah, Hitesh Shah. Yeah. Yeah. There are 5 shops. Sorry, sorry. Hello.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, my husband wants some details. That's why. Yeah,
Yes, no
sorry.
problem, no
Yeah,
problem. So
yeah.
add
Okay,
a
this is the GS. I can just explain from the beginning. This GS digital marketing.
Okay.
We went to the website and then we pressed that. We chose this and then.
Then now we are going to edit. Now, ma'am, description is at least. Just click here. Okay. Describe your business
We
in
didn't.
one line. Okay.
We are editing it. Okay.
Yeah.
TT. Then is GS digital marketing and then this description is marketing agency Mumbai. Okay, and the summary header.
Customize the
That is
header for your summary session. Okay. So what summary
uh,
header you want to add? You can add like we have a digital marketing agency. Okay.
uh,
We give services in social media marketing, and you can add a summary of body. Ma'am, D will be capital because this is the header. So D will be capital.
uh, like that.
Yes, ma'am. No. Only D capital, ma'am. First letter will be
Acha,
capital,
acha.
yeah, ma'am. Because it
Okay.
is a header, na.
Correct. Oh, sorry.
I guess you have caps lock is on.
Yeah. Digital marketing.
Services.
Just
Services. And then in summer body, you can add all the services we are providing to your customers.
digital marketing services and let this one. No? What to say?
What? No, in digital marketing services, all the things are coming. So please add all the things in summary body.
I'll write Canva designing also because I'm very good at that.
You can add in summary body, ma'am.
Okay.
Because all the things will add there. Then what can you add in summary body? Na? That's why I told you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here I'll write what? Digital marketing, social media marketing. That way.
Yeah, and your Canva thing.
Yeah.
Social media marketing.
Canva and Canva designing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
There.
Yes, scroll down, ma'am. Now you want to make bold, italic. Okay, so all the formatting things are there. Just click to bold or italic.
To select, na?
Yeah, ma'am. Just just select it. No, just
Not selecting.
no, ma'am. Just click to bold. Just click to B. Yeah, so it will be bold. Okay, so just scroll down, ma'am, and once click to okay. Here is a okay tick. Just click here. Okay tick. Yeah.
Where to click? Where to click?
Edit. Okay. Okay. So now
Actually, digital marketing and marketing agency in Mumbai.
open till 21 because you have added the text na in a home tag. Okay. So get quoted. Just
it should write digital marketing agency. Okay, no problem. Chalega.
Because you written over here na GS digital marketing agency. So it is defining that only na that you have a market agency of digitalization. Okay. So now click to here is a live. You can click to get direction. Okay, you can add more.
Get quote.
Yeah, just click to get codes. You will see what is there. Okay. So get quoted in there is a make appointment message, SMS, WhatsApp number. So if you want to make an appointment, just click to make appointment. Here is the option make appointment. Okay. So the appointment thing will become. So make appointment, discuss, direct customers to the following web address, but you don't have your web address, so just leave it. Okay.
1 minute.
You can add
Contact us later.
yes,
Contact
you can
us.
add contact us, you can get direction, you can SMS or WhatsApp, right?
Oh, email is coming here, but
Yeah.
I don't want to put the email address. Wait.
Okay.
Call. Call.
Yes, you can add call or you can add message, WhatsApp also.
Call. The WhatsApp is also there.
Sorry.
Also call this number. Call is okay.
Yeah, because you have added a number, na, so it will come here.
Yeah.
Okay. So just click OK, ma'am. There is a tick option, so just tick there.
Okay. When?
Okay.
Uh,
Click na. Yes, just click. Okay. Now you can add photos. So just click to photos option. Here is on your left side. Get okay. So if you have a photos, so you can add a photo from your mobile computer or laptop.
yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
I
Just
have
add
lots of.
it. Yes, ma'am. Just add it. Okay, it's uploading.
Where is the photo?
Ma'am, just click there. Okay, it's gone.
This. No, it is not this.
So which one? I don't know you which photo you clicked. Cancel it, ma'am. Just cancel it. Just click to photos. Where it's gone. Okay, just it
Okay,
has
after you
a header.
recommend the FSI, okay? He doesn't have money. He doesn't have money, Hitisha. 1 second, I'm holding.
Yes, ma'am.
40 crores. 1 lakh or 3 lakhs per square foot. The FSI is so much. That's why this is so much. 40. For that I told you, know, I've sent you in that image. 17 into 40 into 2. 17 into 41. 17 into 41 I have to do. What?
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry, my husband had come. Yeah.
No problem, ma'am.
Yeah. This is
Okay.
what, how we went here.
So we just, ma'am, we just scroll down. There is a page with
Hello,
one.
that pizza ka photo you cancelled it, na?
I didn't think anything.
No, 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 no. 1 minute. 1 second, please.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is this? Why is this has come?
It's scroll down, मैम. हम लोग ने scroll down किया तो ये सारी चीजें आ रही
No,
है.
no, this is not there. This is not that photo.
Ma'am, you can edit ना. Here is the option edit header photo. You just edit and add your photo.
Yes.
Yeah, just select it and open it.
1 second will come. Are why this is coming? 1 second. You saw? Yeah, this it is. Yeah. You saw this?
Yes, ma'am.
This I've done.
Is regarding to GS. Where is the GS text?
Let's this also I can choose about this.
Yes, ma'am.
This. Huh?
Ma'am, but
But
this
I can copy
company is what?
directly from here.
Yes, you can.
What?
Nothing, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. 1 second. So just it's not happening. How to
Uh,
copy paste this?
just cancel it. Oh, don't close that page, ma'am. Just go back. Just no. Just
What to
go
do?
back. Just go back, ma'am. You can go back from here. Yes, click here. So you can go back.
See, this GS is not coming here. I don't know why. I
Which
have
one?
written. Can you see this here? This C.
Okay. I think that
But I
it
don't know
is
why.
not supporting in that page, I guess.
Uh, or else I can just put this also 1 minute. So this is also there. There, like I can put this. You know.
Yeah.
How to go back to that page?
Ma'am, go to website. Go to website. Yeah. Click there. Okay. Get started. Okay. You have already selected. So scroll down. Scroll down.
Tell your story. What is it coming here? Is
Because you have opened once again,
this?
that's why it's come. Just click to okay and just yes. You can edit header. Just click because the header side is different and you have created your image in different side. I guess because of that also it not coming GS thing over there.
Okay, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
This one is coming. No,
Yeah.
another one came.
Yeah.
Oh,
This
this
is
is
good.
good. Yeah.
Yeah, this is good. Okay.
Yeah.
Just scroll down so you can see. You can create a post. You can manage post over here. Okay, so there is an option that we have done right now. Like we have posted the digital marketing Canva designing things. Okay, if you want to create
Yeah.
a new post or you want to manage the post, you can create and manage your post from here. Okay, if you have to
Can you
help,
teach me how to do? I don't know.
yeah, just click the create post so you can create a new post. And if you create a manage post, then you can add a last edited thing and you can did. Okay, update your status now. What services or what kind of thing you have to add, just add over there, just write over there.
Hmm. Same now.
Yes, ma'am, same thing, ma'am. If you want to add, you can add, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, write anything else because this thing only you have added twice.
Yeah.
So please go to Google and add and search anything regarding Google description and that make copy paste over here, ma'am. Because twice you have added this only.
Yeah. It's okay now. Next time I'll do it.
Ma'am, if you forget, then write new one. Na? Just 5 minutes will take.
Okay. Okay. So what I should do?
Go to
I should
Google
go to
page.
Google
Yeah,
now.
go to Google page. Just write their digital marketing description and just copy and paste it. Digital marketing descriptions. Yeah, you will get description samples. So many.
Where is it? Like 1 minute.
Uh, just scroll down. Plan section. You can add the second one and third line, like design, builds, and maintains our social media presence, measures a report performance of all digital marketing campaigns.
The second one is okay.
Yeah, so you can copy paste over there because all the things adding some same thing.
Correct.
Na?
Correct. Yeah, correct. What to this? None. None, Albert?
And just scroll down and publish.
But you didn't add any photo to it.
Probably, ma'am, you can go in your website page. So here that is added, ma'am.
Huh?
Click to your website. There that is added, ma'am. Get started and just scroll down.
Actually, we can't directly put photo and that, like how we
Yes,
do on Facebook and Instagram.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what do we do?
Just scroll down.
Ah,
Right here, look. Okay.
what
We
to
have
write?
posted. Here is the option. Scroll down, ma'am. Here you can see the 3 posts are there, which we have written now.
Yeah.
Okay. So just scroll down. Testimonials are there. There are too many things are there. Okay. You can just edit the things. You can add images, all the things there.
So how is it? Hello?
Hello, yes, ma'am, you're talking with me. I thought you're
Yeah,
talking
tell
with
me.
you. I thought you're talking.
Yeah, my husband,
Yeah,
he was coming again.
yeah,
Don't
I
disturb.
thought you are talking with him. Okay.
Ah,
So here is let's get some strong reviews. What is a review? Some people are connecting with you or coming to your website or coming to in your digital marketing, then they will add a review over here. Okay. So
hmm.
when you post positive reviews from Google users on your website, you can get in touch with the former customers and let them know they can review your business on your Google using this link below. So copy this link. So they will come when they come in your website. Okay. Then they will add the reviews in your company. So you are there. If you want to add it on your web page, you can add it. Okay. If you don't want to add it, if suppose there are some negative things, so you can delete it also, or it can be deleted by Google only. Okay.
Oh,
Just scroll down now.
so how do we see that? That later you have to see copy review
Yeah,
thing.
when your company will come online now, that's time you will see. When someone will
Ach-
come, that time. You have added so many photos.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know you're a Canva lover. Okay.
and this video also said.
Okay.
I don't know why not clicking.
Okay. It's not opening. No problem.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
They're good, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Very good, ma'am. Good one. Okay. So this is your Google Map also is there. Okay. So now you
Yeah.
have add it as a line. Just scroll up. Just scroll up, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. You just click here. Visit view site. Okay. So when your site is almost done. So congratulations. This is your website of GS Digital Marketing. Okay. So this is the view of your website. So what you have to do now? Last time you have created Sai Kripa Digital Marketing Company. Am I right, ma'am? On Saturday we
Yeah.
have created it. You have to create a web page for that website because today we have created GS Digital Marketing website. Now your
Hmm.
homework is that you have to create a web page for साई कृपा डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी. Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am. चलो. So we will meet
Yeah.
tomorrow at 3 o'clock, 3:30 or 3:15, right? Okay, I guess
3:15 she said.
3:15.
हाँ.
Yeah, 3:15 we will meet, ma'am.
3:15 till 4 till
Yeah.
4:30.
Yes, ma'am. 3:15 to 4:30. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Most.
Bye.
Thank you.
You too take care. Yeah. Bye.